Hello, my name is Odessa Esco, and this is Commonly Confused English. Today's video is brought to us by a commenter. Thank you, Mr. Perez. But before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And of course, make sure you're following along with all my videos in my Google Docs, which is linked in my link tree in my channel description. Today we're talking about the phrase give back and the word return. This phrase and this word are synonymous 9 times out of 10. Of course, not all the time, because then why would I make a video? I'm gonna break it down into 4 categories to help us understand. Situation number 1 is gifts. In this situation, you are giving back or returning something that was given to you for free. For Christmas, your birthday, Hanukkah, whatever. Number 2, we're talking about borrowing or renting something. So you know eventually that this item will be back in the original person's possessions. Maybe you're borrowing a book from a library. You can give the book back on time, or you can return the book on time. The third situation is more abstract. I'm labeling it social outreach, but this is just charity in all forms. Food, donations, finance, giving your own time or knowledge, all of that is considered social outreach. The last category is purchases. This is of course store-bought items, or there's been a financial transaction, or there's been some sort of transaction where the item was purchased in a way with money or something else. Those are the 4 categories: gift, borrowing and renting, social outreach, and purchases. The first 2, gift and borrowing and renting things, are synonymous. These are the only times give back and return can be used synonymously. Click on my Google Docs link to see example sentences, because the grammar is obviously different because there are 2 words and then 1 word being exchanged. So make sure you look at that. Social outreach and purchases are non-synonymous cases. Social outreach is only appropriate to use give back. I would like to give back to my community. They've done so much for me. You wouldn't say, I want to return to my community. They've done so much for me. If you say that, you're no longer having the same meaning of your sentence. In the second sentence, when you use return, you're talking about physically going back to a place. Whereas give back is talking about the abstract idea of helping your community in a sense. Maybe you don't physically go back, you just provide them with housing or food or social programs. The last one, purchases, I recommend just using return when you're talking about bringing back something, especially to a store or a business. You want to say, hi, I have this item, I'd like to return it. Or, before you purchase, do you guys accept returns? You wouldn't say, do you guys take give backs? I mean, maybe a child would. That's actually really cute, but not for an adult or somebody who's just trying to sound fluent and everyday English. It would make someone maybe they would like it, find you endearing, of course, but I recommend just using return. All right, it's a short video, but I hope it was helpful. Remember the 4 situations you can be in where return and give back might be confusing. That is up to you to decide first what situation you're in, and then decide your word choice or phrase choice, because as always, it's your English voice. I'd love to know what you guys would like to know or talk about next. Of course, commonly confused English, but also any other topics you'd like me to kind of dive deeper in, or concepts in English. I can make longer videos. Let me know in the comments below. Like, comment, share, tell somebody, tell one person. Don't forget to subscribe if you already aren't. Thank you again, Mr. Perez, for the comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay cute. Bye.